Looking to boost your mood and feel happier? Start by becoming aware of the things that bring you joy and incorporating them into your daily routine. Singing, dancing, and listening to upbeat music can help lift your spirits. Keeping a photo that reminds you of good times can also provide a quick pick-me-up. Laughter is a powerful mood booster, so make time to enjoy your favorite comedies or funny videos. Spending time in nature, even just a short walk, can help reduce stress. Treat yourself to small indulgences, like a candy bar or a coffee, but remember to check your budget. Smiling, even if forced, releases hormones that make you feel happier. Engaging in activities you love and following your passions adds meaning to your day. Remind yourself of your strengths and unique qualities by writing affirmations. Journaling about your emotions helps you process events and reflect on your feelings. Setting and accomplishing goals, no matter how small, can make your day feel more fulfilling. Focus on the positives in your life and reframe your perspective to stay optimistic. Take the time to notice and appreciate the details in your surroundings, whether it's a flower, a sunset, or a piece of art. Finally, connecting with loved ones can bring positivity and security to your life.